Which rotary cheese grater is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious when every product looks nearly identical online. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you the 5 that truly stand out. Product number 1, Cambum Triple Blade Grater. Let's start with the Cambum Rotary Cheese Grater. This black plastic model caught my eye because it's built for speed and safety, grating a pound of cheese in just 30 seconds without your fingers getting near the blades. At $33.47, it's mid-range, and with over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular. The 3 stainless steel blades handle coarse shreds, fine shreds, and even slicing, perfect for everything from mozzarella on pizza to almonds in salads. The suction base grips marble or glass countertops tightly, so it won't slide around mid-grate. Plus, all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, which makes cleanup painless. Now, some people complain that the suction doesn't stick well on textured surfaces like wood or laminate. Here's the thing though, if you've got a smooth countertop, which most kitchens do, it holds firm. Just don't expect it to work on rough or porous materials. This is perfect for you if you want fast, safe grating without breaking the bank. Skip this one if your counters aren't smooth, otherwise it's a solid everyday tool that delivers great value. Product number 2, OXO Good Grips Grater. Next up, the OXO Good Grips Rotary Grater. Priced at $25.69, this is the most affordable option here, and OXO is known for ergonomic design. It's lightweight at just 8.8 ounces and made with a stainless steel barrel and sharp blade. The silicone seal also keeps leftover cheese fresh in the fridge, which is huge if you only use a little at a time. It's ideal for hard cheeses like parmesan or aged cheddar, and the large barrel means fewer refills. That said, a few buyers noted it only comes with one grating surface, medium shred, so you don't get fine or coarse options unless you buy extra drums separately. Here's the thing, if you mainly want consistent, medium shreds and love not wasting cheese, this simplicity is actually a strength. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, no-fuss grating with built-in storage. Skip this one if you need multiple textures or plan to slice veggies, it's cheese-focused. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, Graters 3-Blade Multi-Grater White. Now, if OXO's single blade felt limiting, the Graters Rotary Cheese Grater White version gives you 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades, slicing, shredding, and grinding, all in one $38.59 package. Over 8,000 sold last month shows people love the versatility. The food pusher keeps your hands completely safe, and the transparent barrel has an angled design that reduces clogging, which honestly surprised me. Most graters jam halfway through. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and detaches fully for easy cleaning. The downside, the suction base can lose grip if your counter isn't perfectly clean or dry. Some users also said the handle feels a bit flimsy during heavy use. Here's the thing, as long as you prep your surface, it stays put and the handle holds up fine for normal home cooking, just don't force it with frozen cheese. This is perfect for you if you want one tool for cheese, veggies, and nuts. Skip this one if you need industrial strength or have uneven counters. Great value for multi-use kitchens. Product number 4, Zule Kitchen 5-Blade Pro Grater. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for serious home cooks, the Zule Kitchen Rotary Grater. At $37.33, it packs 5 stainless steel blades including julienne and wavy slicing options, and it's built like a tank at 2.51 pounds. The wide hopper fits big blocks of cheese or whole carrots, and the reinforced suction base stays locked even during aggressive cranking. Plus, Zule includes a storage box and offers a lifetime warranty, which shows real confidence in their product. Now the weight can be a pro or con. Some found it too heavy to move around easily, and the rectangular shape takes up more drawer space. Here's the thing, if you prioritize durability and performance over portability, this is worth the trade-off. It's not for tiny kitchens, but for frequent use, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you cook daily and want professional-level results. Skip this one if you have limited storage or prefer lightweight tools. For heavy-duty use, it's unmatched. Product number 5, Graters Red 3-Blade Grater. Finally, we've got the Graters Rotary Cheese Grater in red, essentially the same as the white model but with a bolder look and slightly different dimensions. Still $38.59, still 6,000 plus sold last month. It shares all the same strengths. 3 food-grade stainless steel blades, BPA-free ABS plastic, a safety pusher, and that smart inclined barrel to prevent clogging. The red color is just aesthetic, but if you like matching your kitchen gear, that's a nice touch. Performance-wise, it's identical, fast, safe, and easy to clean under running water or in the dishwasher top rack. The flaw is the same too. Suction depends heavily on surface smoothness, and the handle can feel loose if over-tightened. Some users also wish the blades were labeled more clearly. Figuring out which is for shredding versus slicing takes a second. This is perfect for you if you liked the white Graters but want a pop of color or already own other red kitchen tools. Skip this one if you're trying to save money. There's no functional upgrade over the white version. But if style matters, go for it. So which one should you pick? The Cambum is great for speed and safety on a budget. OXO wins for simplicity and built-in storage. The white Graters offers the best balance of function and ease. Ziole is the powerhouse for serious cooks. And the red Graters, same performance, just bolder style. Pick based on your kitchen needs and say goodbye to pre-shredded cheese forever.